Look at this, guys. Adam's Challenger, ripoff Otis Series 1. I don't know what these were, but they got a Schumacher mod at some point. Never seen these before, and I've always wanted to see this. We're at 8. Oh, it's even busy up here. Are these the only elevators? Oh, hear the motor. Let's not lose you now. Let's go down. Look at that on the subway. Here's your COP 4,500 pound capacity. Adam's designer buttons on a Otis Series 1 ripoff panel called Adam's Challenger. PT also has C's button down there. It's just a basic standard hospital sized cab. You can see the fan is on. 2. What for?
Some of them. You got room on that thing? Not for you. Oh, closing. Oh, we got it. We made it.
There's the Mayo going to buildings. That's pretty good. Now we can ride the other one. If it comes, I guess. It's the Ozmun link, whatever the heck that is. Sounds like a Skyway. Bet we're gonna get the same one. It passed us. Wow, smart controller. There it is. It's loose. Yeah, so this is weird. It's like Series 1, but it's not Series 1. It's a ripoff. I don't think this was made very long. You're at 8. Takes a minute to level. There we go. I wonder what these were originally. Oh, MAC. Montgomery, probably. There it goes. And that'll be it.